The Lynn Theatre in Gonzales, Texas, has been a cultural landmark since its grand opening in 1947. Built by Lynn Smith Sr., it features a streamlined modern design with a sleek façade and a star-adorned marquee. For decades, it served as a hub for entertainment, showcasing Hollywood films and bringing the community together. In the 1970s, the theater was sold to Commonwealth Theaters, leading to its first closure. After sitting vacant for years, it reopened in 2009 but shut down again in 2010. In 2011, new owners attempted to revive it as a live performance theater, reopening in 2012 and later resuming movies. However, it closed again in 2020, leaving its future uncertain. In March 2024, the Lynn Theatre Group saved it from being converted into apartments. After extensive renovations, it reopened on December 4, 2024, restoring its historic charm. Today, the Lynn Theatre remains a beloved landmark, preserving Gonzales' history while offering a nostalgic and immersive cinematic experience for the community.